Hey folks, a few showers showing up in the western part of the valley right now. You can see the yellow and orange actually coming down pretty good right on the county line. Most of this is really light, but the stuff continues pushing off toward the north and east, so a brief shower certainly can't be ruled out over the rest of the valley over the course of the evening hours. It should move in and then move on out relatively quickly. We don't expect any big amounts of rain from this, but this should push on through as a little disturbance comes through in the upper atmosphere. And then tomorrow it warms up. These are the currents: 76 in McAllen, 73 Weslaco right now. Same thing Harlingen and Port Isabel and Brownsville and Raymondville. 69 on the island, a little bit cooler at the beach this afternoon. Low temperatures tonight for this time of year. This is really mild, upper 60s. That's it. A little cooler in the west, about 62 Rio Grande City, but everybody else between 67 and 69 degrees. And look at these numbers for tomorrow. 90 plus across Hidalgo and Starr counties, upper 80s across most of Willacy and Cameron County, and then the beach, nature's air conditioner, that cool water keeping temperatures a little more mild there. 79 at South Padre. Winds out of the south tomorrow about 5 to 15 miles per hour. Look at the next 3 days though. We see big time changes. Tomorrow up around 90. If we get there, that'll break the record of 88, and then 73 and falling on Wednesday. That front comes in early in the day. Temperatures on Wednesday in the 70s before the front comes in, but then they tumble probably into the 60s, maybe even into the 50s by late in the day, and then we'll recover with some sunshine on Thursday, back up close to 70, but pretty big time change coming with that front after a hot day and then a much cooler day behind the front. Cloud cover's really been thick across the area today, and there's that light rain out there. Future Track says clouds stick around all night. During the daytime tomorrow, for the most part, we're just partly sunny, and with that, very, very warm. Again, those temperatures pushing 90 in the western part of the valley. It's mild until the front gets here. We wake up with mild temperatures on Wednesday, but the front comes in and it turns much cooler during the daytime on Wednesday. Don't see much in terms of precipitation with the front. Most, if not all of it, stays to the north of us. We just end up with much cooler conditions. So we've just got a slight chance of a shower in there late Wednesday into Wednesday night, but only about a 20% probability of that. Rest of South Texas, these are the current numbers. 70s up to San Antonio. Push back a little bit in the cold air, just not quite into Lubbock yet, but it's in Oklahoma City in the 40s, while Dallas is in the 60s. That cold air will continue pushing southward. Timing of the front looks like sometime Wednesday morning, so we're very mild until then. Front comes through. Could be some wintry weather in parts of West Texas, but not for us. We stay mild even as that front goes through. Still close to normal for this time of year. So tonight, 68 for a low, partly to mostly cloudy with a stray shower in spots. Then tomorrow, 90 for the high, partly cloudy and breezy. That wind out of the south tomorrow, 5 to 15. 73 and falling during the afternoon on Wednesday. We bounce back to about 69 on Thursday after being 41 in the morning. A cold start to your day Thursday, and then by Friday we're back in the upper 70s, and for the weekend right back in the 80s again, but I think there will be some clouds around for the weekend. That's your updated First Warn 5 accurate with the forecast.